watch.
Where have you been?
I've been here 3 days a week.
Oh my goodness.
I miss you all the time.
I'm always here.
I want to know something. You drop something in your drawers or what?
No, nothing there.
Well, all right. Is Universal dropping hints already at what's replacing Rip Ride Rockit? How far along are they? Is Grinchmas starting early this year? Got some merchandise to look at, Wicked store to look at, and let's go check out, see what's going on over at Hard Rock to see how far along they are. So the dust is still settling, but the biggest clue about its replacement is setting right in the middle of Hollywood. We're talking about the Wicked Tribute Store. What do you think? Do you think it should be a Fast and Furious on the East Coast, or do you think Wicked would bring more people into this park and more excitement? We're looking at a lot of new footings going up. They're pushing dirt over top of the concrete pads here. They are moving quickly here on this section of the ride here, but I'm looking over towards Minion Mayhem, and it looks like they are preparing to put in some footers over there. But I see pilings up, new pilings being replaced. I'm seeing rebar. I'm seeing big bolts coming out of the concrete footers here. They are moving quickly here. So Rip Ride is in the dust, and is it drift or is it Wicked? What do you think? So the new store section here has been taken over by Merry Grinchmas. Let's go in and look at the merch. So we're going to start right here looking at the bags here. This is a new bag. This year is this year's edition of the Grinch here in your bag here. I like the look of it. $75 for that. But do you like last year's? I think I like last year's better. So new merch everywhere. I'm here for the presents. A little kid's shirt here. I like this. It's $28. Got some socks here. $18 for the socks. Got some PJs here. PJs are $35. A little onesie here. How much is the onesie? $33 for the onesie. Oh, we got something here for the dogs. Little bandana for the dog here. I like that. $16 for that. Look at that scrunchie set here. I like the scrunchie set. I like the logo. I like the way these look. I like the scrunchie sets here. A little Grinchmas dress here. I like this for the young ones here. I like that. That is $38. This is as merry as I get. I like that. That's $30. Here's some PJs for the adults. A little top and pajama bottom for the ladies here. Misunderstood. Here's the biggest one, I think. This blue jean jacket here. I like the blue jean jacket. So the blue jean jacket is $90. What do we have here? $18, hand wash only. I like the design on this. Kind of make that camping feel. I like that. Merry Grinchmas Universal Studios shirt here. How much is this? This shirt is $30. I like the toboggan here. That's $25. You got a set of mittens, it's $22. And you've got a red scarf, that's $27. So I like the little purse here. The purse is $35 for the purse. So this little two-piece set here is $45. You've got a smaller bag and a bigger bag. Your new ears for this year are $30 for this one. $27 for this one. My presence is your present. That shirt's $30. Do you get any more festive than these right here? Loving these here. These are $27 here for all of these. So your new Grinchmas Dr. Seuss photo frame is $14. So this photo frame is $14. I like this. So I'm digging the Silent Fright Spirit jersey here for Christmas. It's 85 bucks. Got one for Jaws, Dum Dum, Dum Dum. It's 85. Back to the Future. I'm loving these. I'm loving these new Spirit jerseys. This one's 85 also. Got Jingle Roars here for Jurassic Park, 85. New Spirit jersey for Hello Kitty and Friends. It's 85. So I'm loving these here. These are 32. Look at this one. Isn't that just cute? So we have a new Earl the Squirrel. He's 45. Got a t-shirt here, green t-shirt with Pearl with him. Lighten up the holidays, Universal Studios, $30. Fa La La Llama here with Earl and Pearl, 15 bucks. This year's blanket is 45. This new sweatshirt, 60 bucks here. And then you have a Universal Studios with Earl the Squirrel shopping bag here. That's 40. Your ornament for Universal Holiday Parade is 20 bucks. $30 for your Universal Holiday Parade t-shirt featuring Macy's. So I just now saw the Happy Holidays, Holiday Happiness with the Minions. It's 85, Spirit jersey. Here's your Harry Potter Spirit jersey. It's 85 also. So let's go down to Yellow Brick Road and see what's in the Wicked store. So this sweatshirt's 60 bucks here. Glinda's toy wand is 25. So this Glinda jacket here is 90. Get you some Elphaba glasses for 16. And a little shirt here. How much is this shirt? It's $30. Then you've got a little Elphaba skirt here. That's 40. Got your Glinda doll for 30 here. And Elphaba is cute as a button here. She's 30 also. So your Emerald City Spirit jersey here is 85. So this hat here is 28 bucks for this hat. Wicked lanyard here is 14. So your hat is 27 bucks. So this Wicked handbag here is 50. Got the Emerald City Wicked pants for $45. Here is your Spirit jersey again for 85. You've got some plates here with the Wizard. Some golden chalice cups. Your golden chalice cups are 30 bucks. And look at the monkey here. Your monkey is $30 here. So your Emerald City with the Wizard ashtray is, I'm sorry, that's not an ashtray. This is not 1970. This is $24 for this little change holder. So your Wicked cup is 34. So your Wicked Loungefly bag here is 85. So this Elphaba and Glinda shirt here for a half shirt, that's 37. So your Loungefly here for Glinda is 85. So your little purse here is 45 here for the little purse. The tiara or crown is 40. So these coffee cups here are 21. Your glamorous sweatshirt is 70. Your little throw pillow here is 35. So this bigger pillow here is 35, but it doesn't have these fancy little tassels hanging off of it here. So this is the cutest merchandise in here. This one here is 60 here. There you have your Glinda doll. You got your Elphaba doll there. You've got your Elphaba black sweatshirt. There's Glinda and Elphaba on there. That's cute. I like that. That one's 30. Scrunchy. Your little skirt, little shirts. Oh, then you got your Dorothy in here. Is Dorothy making an appearance this year? The little Dorothy dress is 90 bucks. Oh, there's your flying monkeys again. Those are Those are wickedly cute, that is for sure. These are 30. There's your lion t-shirt. How much is your lion? So your lion is 40 bucks. There he is, and the little doll down there. There's the Tin Man. I guess this is the Tin Man's jacket here. That's 75. So I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a video here for Rip Ride Rockit replacement and Wicked Store, and Merry Grinchmas. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Stay frosty. Remember, Universal Studios is calling your name.